Hey y'all already know what it is when you see that orange bag. First time at the store. This is going to be the unboxing, and if you care, I will have a first time experience video. But yes, this is a very small haul because your girls are balling on a budget. Specifically, my home store is the store in Bellevue, Washington, if you care. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. I got 3 items. Is small, medium, and large. No, I'm kidding. So we'll go ahead and get into the first thing. Very small item. Can we talk about how they like wrap everything? Like, can we just take a second to just appreciate the boxes and the wrapping? And can we just, okay, we've had our moment. Y'all don't even know. Now that y'all have entertained my foolishness, we'll go ahead and get into it. Here's our first little box, okay? And I can't wait to tell y'all the story about how all this went down. So in this box, we have a little pouch. All right. Very nice pouch. Again, you know their boxes. They're known for their nice boxes. This is like a suede, I guess. Brown suede with the Hermes logo on it. And the first thing that we have is a bracelet, a leather bracelet, and this is rose gold. The color is rose sakura, very popular pink apparently. I actually went into the store looking for a orange bangle. They have these like skinny bangles that I saw, and unfortunately I have big hands and a small wrist, and I wanted something that was gonna sit flush on my wrist, and when we tried it on, it was not sitting flush. I'm gonna try and see if I can put this back on. And they didn't have yellow gold, so this is actually the rose gold, but it's cute. And especially with the pink, I think the rose gold, let me take off my little scrunchie. I think the rose gold and the pink actually is like a doper look. But honestly, I'm more of a yellow gold girl myself. And if I ever decide to get jewelry from them, I'd want to get yellow gold. There is a little like wrapping around the hardware, so I'm just going to take that off. If you're curious about my wrist size, I'm a T2. So at first my essay was suggesting that I get the click-clack bracelet, but honey, I'm not about to get a bracelet that has a mechanism that's going to break down over time. And this just, again, it sits flush. Once this breaks in, it'll move a little, but not a lot. I'm probably not going to wear this to sleep, so it'll be a little while before it really starts to like break in, but I'm really looking forward to stacking with this. It's so cute. So yeah, I'll let y'all get up close on it. That's the rose gold, and then it's got the rose sakura braided leather. I have this shitty little gold filled bracelet that I'm actually looking forward to replacing, and I'm not exactly sure if I want to do Cartier or if I want to do Hermes again. Or I'm actually in the process of designing my own jewelry. I might just design something myself. But I want to have like a pretty dope stack on this hand. But yeah, that is the bracelet. Very understated that if you don't know the brand, you're not going to know what this is. And then what's particularly cool about this closure and why I liked it and why I'll probably go back and get it in yellow, gold, and brown is because it matches the closure on my Hermes Vespa bag. So that's like the big boy version of this little closure. So it's in theme, it's matching. That is the bracelet, and I'm going to go ahead and leave that on for the rest of the video. What's in here? Child, I forgot. Oh, this is actually the item I've gone there for. I kind of was on a mission to replace something that I've had for a while, and I just feel like it's time to put it up. It's not representative of who I am as a person. Yeah, so anyway, this next box is actually the priciest item, but it's also an item that I use in my day-to-day, so I'm not too mad about the fact that it was pricey. And you know, to each his own, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, this was all the wrapping. It's already peeking out there, okay? And as we open, we have a wallet. Now this wallet, child, was a pretty penny. This was the most expensive thing that I got, but this wallet is supposed to be replacing my current wallet. In the Loop mini card holder, multicolor. This is Allure Vert Verone. So it's several different colors. It's a little bit of everything, which I really, really like. And I don't know if y'all can see, but I believe that is several pieces of leather there. I could be wrong. I could totally be tripping out and it could just be like colored, but it looks like that might be different colored pieces put together. But anyway, this is the wallet, and my thought is that I could put my keys here on this zipper possibly. But yeah, it has a snap closure here, so when you open it up you can put cards here and here, and then there's like a little coin purse part here. All right, and you could possibly, if you have like a key fob, you could probably put a key fob there too. So yeah, that's the name of that item. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. In a separate video, I'll show y'all what this can fit and all of that. But this was actually meant to replace my current wallet. As you can tell, it's just seen better days. It's rough, it's a mess, and I just wanted to upgrade. So we're upgrading, honey, okay? Also, I didn't want like a Calvi card holder or anything else. I wanted something that was going to be fairly secure, and this is pretty secure. And I also needed something that was going to be able to have a fairly big capacity. I feel like with time, once this breaks in, it'll be able to hold quite a bit, especially in these two card slots here. I feel like it'll be able to hold a lot. So that is the card holder that I bought. And then last but not least, a piece where I'm like, do I even want to wear this? Because a lot of people hang them up and don't wear them. There's so much you can do with it, and I'm looking forward to exploring all those options. Last but not least, like y'all have seen the ribbon. I don't need to get all fancy unboxing the ribbon. Nice big box. I think y'all should be able to tell what this is just based on the box, okay? All right. Look at her. And y'all know that I already own, in my cheapest things series, one of the cheapest things that I bought was a notebook that is bound in the Hermes silk. So I have a special appreciation for this pattern in particular, and just in the silks in general. I'm debating on whether or not I want to just hang this up. This particular pattern, I checked it out online and I just thought it was really pretty. But it is a silk scarf. Hold on, let me get it right side up. And this really cool like African print, like with animals on it. I'm gonna just slowly go around so y'all can see this print. It's so beautiful and vibrant, okay? And then look at that big elephant in the middle. And, you know, it's got zebras on it, and, you know, crocodiles, and just, it's beautiful. Like, this is gorgeous, right? So, obviously, because this is a big silk scarf, there are a lot of things that I can do with this. The first thing that comes to mind for me personally to wear it on my head. That's like my first thought. Oh my God, look at how that, and everything's so symmetrical. So like, depending on what way you wear it, you can get all kind of really cool designs. If you want the little Paris to peek out, that's an option. I know in the store, let me see if I can remember how she did it. In the store, I think she did something like this, and then she put it around her neck like that, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it was like that. That's how my essay had it. This pattern was so beautiful. They had a blue version of this same silk scarf, but I just really loved, like, look at the ears on the elephant. Like, just the patterns are so intense. Hold on, look at the pattern on the legs of the giraffe. Like, are y'all seeing this? Like, this is beautiful. And as we know, the edges are all hand rolled. There's just, everywhere you look, there's just a beautiful pattern everywhere you look. You know, this is like such eye candy. I could like hang it back here and have like this really dope background. Wait, hold on. I could hang it back here. Like, as big as this is, this could literally be my background. I could have like 2 of them back here. Yeah. So those were the items that I got from my first trip to Hermes. I am very, very happy with my items. I'm looking forward to playing around with my silk scarf and then obviously transferring all my cards to my new wallet. I do plan to use my stuff. I am not really worried about resell on these. Like, I just want to enjoy them for life, and for what I paid, cost per wear is like the first thing on my mind. So my first thought is like, wear them, enjoy them, love them. Don't wait for a special occasion. Every day is a special occasion. We don't know when our last day will be. Enjoy. You know what I'm saying? We work hard to play hard, enjoy. I can't speak for other people's experiences because there are countless videos on the internet about how people feel like they're treated less than in these stores. And I'll be completely honest with you, if it gets to a point where I feel like my wishes aren't being granted, and she did take down some items for me already, wish list. I asked about rodeos, and I asked about the her bag in black with gold hardware. No Birkin, no Kelly, no Constance. That takes time, and I'm nowhere near purchase history wise where I want to be in order to make that happen. I'm in school. That would be a really dope graduation gift in like 2 years. I'll worry about that then. At this point, I'm enjoying the journey. There was a tea set in there that I really liked that I wouldn't mind buying piece by piece. I saw blankets and pillows that obviously I'd be interested in getting for my living room. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel about the brand, good or bad. If you're somebody who enjoys the brand, let me know what your first purchases were down in the comment section below. If you're curious, everything that I bought's online. I'll go through everything again. I got the bracelet, Swift calf brass rose gold plate leather bracelet. I got the La Marche de Zambezi 90 centimeter silk twill scarf, and then I also got the In the Loop mini mark card holder multicolor, and those were my 3 items. So yeah, till next video, peace.